people often ask you to repeat what you said during a phone call? If you frequently talk in noisy places, your iPhone has a useful feature that can significantly improve the quality of your voice. In this video, I'll show you how to enable voice isolation on iPhone so your voice sounds clearer and background noise becomes less noticeable during calls. So here's what you need to do. First, open the phone app on your iPhone. After that, to enable this option, you must be on an active call. You can't turn it on unless you're already in a call. Once enabled, it will automatically be used for future calls as well. You can tap the keypad and call your own phone number. For example, I'm going to call myself, so simply dial your own number. Once the call connects, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open Control Center. Then, at the top of the screen, tap Phone Controls. You'll see audio and video options. By default, it's usually set to automatic. Tap Voice Isolation. When you turn this on, your iPhone will focus on your voice and reduce background noise during calls. After that, you can end the call. Any future calls you make will use voice isolation, so your voice should sound much clearer to the other person. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.